We'll see that post, but I mean, it's an echo in here, so we'll hear everything.
Will we be able to like fix that in post?
Yeah. I mean, it'll be good. Scene one day, take two.
So, shortly after the Civil War, black ministers and white philanthropists saw fit to create. I'm sorry, can we do that again? That's gonna be cut. Okay, got you. Okay.
Rebuild is a story about a freshman student who has a pretty haunting dream that inspires her to help the collective activism revive again in her school environment. This is pretty much inspired by my own aspirations to be a student leader that uses their platform to actually advocate for the student body while also caring for the West End community that surrounds the city, the school. It's my creative twist to erupt awareness and get people to actually start thinking about doing things outside of themselves. We in the middle of shooting. Ooh. Boom.
Yikes.
You don't need that umbrella thing.
Right, he walked through.
Shooter shoot. No, I was trying to get into the video.
All right, this is the
You
last
know what it
scene.
is? You feel me?
We're at the Home Depot about to get these props for this film, honey. It is about to be lit. We are at Home Depot.
I gotta be able to hear you kind of low.
I don't know where I'm going. We need to find materials for my main character, aka me. Her like protest materials and stuff. I don't know. I do know. We're gonna ask for help. Yeah. All right, cut. We want peace. We want justice. We want peace. Atlanta student movement. Yeah, I can definitely see something being painted on here. How to use our imagination. What we're gonna put it in the basket. We gotta find something to make it pretty. Activism is not pretty, but presentation has to be.
Around here in my world, I kind of just make stuff up as I go. So we get all this equipment. You know, I'm not a painter. I don't know. Just kind of winging it. All this paint is white. Now it's supposed to dry the color. We gonna see. Paint and
So this is day 2 of shooting, and I got my girl Destiny, and we're on location. Not gonna tell you where we at. Just gotta figure it out. About to set up the camera. Ow, ow, ow. But yeah, day 1 was really great. Everybody came through, delivered their lines, and I'm ready to get the rest of these scenes done so we can edit and make magic. So we just wrapped up shooting one of the scenes again, and I want to give a huge shout out to Miss Martin.
Hi. We're so proud. So proud of you.
Thank you. They've been like very helpful with this whole process of creating, and being able to utilize my campus for this is just like really important, and I really can't wait till everybody sees the ending product.
Good job.
We're out. Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
the same Monday, they have an Indian word the same Monday, but they understand the concept of Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. That's things that we've agreed upon, social contracts. A nigga in Russia knows what a Wednesday is. It's just language, you get what I'm saying? But when, I think you're right, it might have been around, like maybe around the Industrial Revolution, or post-World War I, where basically whoever was the superpower at the time, everybody was memorialized though. You said what? Where is that memorialized? Because like, there's no way that you get all these groups of different people that have been functioning for centuries, millennia, and where time is relative, and like I said, they had their feet and meters measurement, but it was working for them. When did niggas agree? Because like I said before, there was a Monday and Tuesday, there was something else for a whole bunch of communities. When did it stop? Right. Like how the fuck niggas gonna be on one point and tell you it's like I did every day's a week.
So it is currently 2:18 a.m., the last day of the 72-hour film challenge, and I'm editing. Everybody's favorite part, right? You just learn a lot, throughout the process of, creating something. And it's truly, a little tedious, but it's definitely in the end rewarding. Especially when you, set out, a story that you've been thinking about. And it's like your ideas, your words, and you just watch it all play out. That's like the most magical part. I love that part. Like, it's so rewarding. But it's editing up. Shout out to Premiere Pro for making it easy for your girl. Not so, because I'm, just started using it, but it's coming together. Patience. Patience makes you prosper. That's a gem from Scott Page. What's up, y'all? I know I look like I'm in the same clothes I wore yesterday, but, just like my hoodie a lot. But, yeah, still editing. I've been editing literally all day. That's like the hardest part because you want everything to be like very perfect and just meticulous. And, like I said, this Premiere stuff is like, yee. But it's been good. It's 10:18. I should really just like go ahead and just zoom on through all this. I think I'm gonna do that. Just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing. Yeah.